Okay guys, so day 3, I stayed last night at the Inverarnan bunkhouse at the top of the hill. And believe me, that is quite a hill after 12-13 miles. It's just past the Inverarnan Hotel down at the bottom. Nice stay, really good. Go check it out. I'm now going to carry on to Inverarnan and pass Doon by a Bothy, which is just 6 to 7 miles in valley direction. Okay, so let's do it. Where are you going, fella? A few wild goats you will see here along the West Highland Way. Look at the horns on that. Hello guys, I stopped on the trail for a second. I've come across loads and loads of wild garlic. Edible. The whole plant is edible. You can put it in soups, frittatas, stir fries, or you can taste it. The whole plant is edible. Very, very nice. I'm going to get some of this, pick some of this, put it in my pack, and make some scrambled eggs up later. Wild garlic, people. Tasty. Nature provides everything we need. See you soon. So this is Doon by a Bothy. I was here in 2019. Nice to come back here. A bit warmer. I was here in September before. A little bit smaller than the Road Choice Bothy, but still no less welcoming. So, day 3 done. Arrived at Inverarnan, Wine Glass Camp. Pitched up. Great day. I'm gonna get some food, maybe a wee dram. 47 miles in. Get ready for day 4 tomorrow. See you soon, guys. Bridge of Orkey. Okay, morning guys. Day 4. Inverarnan to Tindrum, 11 miles. Weather looks good through the top. Let's get some coffee on. Let's do it. Okay, morning guys. Day 4.